Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to break link between two Excel files. Suppose I have this one Excel file which has been linked with other Excel file. Like this invoice number data I have mentioned VLOOKUP here from this VLOOKUP data file. So problem with that link is that if like I see you if in this invoice number I change this invoice value to 100, automatically this value get changed to 100, but I don't want this. I want this value to be freezed. If I use the formula for copy paste, it will not work here because my data is in filter. Otherwise I will unfilter it or single do that. Instead of doing all this, I can use Breaklink tool. So just for using that, go to your data tab and here is the option like edit link. Now it's showing you that this sheet is linked with which source data. So it's showing that this sheet is linked with VLOOKUP data. So here's the multiple option. Out of this option I have to just select break link. So it gives me some information that this link will be break and you can not again link that. So I will just click break link and close OK. Now see, there is no formula with this file. Suppose if I again change this invoice number to any value, now it will not get changed. So it's so easy that without copy pasting or unfiltering you get break link between two Excel files. Thanks for watching.